In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly add smileys and emojis in Gmail. This simple guide will walk you through the steps of making your emails more expressive and fun with just a few clicks. Whether you're sending a note to a friend or a professional message that needs just a touch of personality, these tips will have you adding emojis to your Gmail messages in no time. First, let's start by opening up your web browser and typing in gmail.com in the search bar. Once you've logged into your Gmail account, locate the Compose button on the left-hand side of your screen. Click on it to open a new email draft. Here you'll see the familiar layout where you can add your recipient's email address, the subject, and the body of your message. Now, direct your attention to the toolbar located at the bottom of the Email Compose window. You might notice a small smiley face icon among the options. This is your gateway to a world of emojis. Clicking on this icon will open a menu filled with a range of emojis to choose from. Simply scroll through and click on the smiley or symbol you'd like to insert into your email. Each emoji you select will appear wherever your cursor is placed within the message body. If you don't see the emoji icon in your toolbar, it might simply not be expanded, so look for a downward arrow or a plus sign that indicates you can view more options. For those looking for something specific, Gmail allows you to search for emojis based on keywords within this menu, so you can quickly find what you're looking for. Just start typing a word that describes the emoji, like smile or heart, and a list of relevant emojis will appear for you to choose from. If you're wondering when and where to use these emojis, here's a bit of advice. Emojis can enhance your message by conveying tone and emotion that plain text may not fully express. However, it's important to use them appropriately. In personal emails, have fun with a variety of emojis. They can convey humor, warmth, and creativity. However, when it comes to professional emails, it's best to use emojis sparingly and appropriately. A simple smiley can add warmth to a professional correspondence, but overusing emojis may not present the most professional image. Once you've inserted all the emojis and crafted the rest of your message, go ahead and review everything one last time. Make sure your email is clear and concise, and that the emojis you've selected enhance rather than confuse the intended message. Finally, click the Send button, and your emoji-filled email is on its way to your recipient. By following these easy steps, you can now confidently incorporate emojis into your Gmail communications, making them more engaging and expressive. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing.